To add an elevation view, select the elevation view object from the architectural drawing menu. A first click fixes the start point, and by tracing the elevation view line along the desired direction, we can click again to set the end point. The grip also allows us to move the elevation view line or change the length and direction, while with the red arrow we can invert the side that we want to look at. As you can see in the drawing models group, the elevation AA model has been added. A double click on the drawing model allows us to see it in detail. In 3D view, we can see the elevation view plane, where we can also activate further options such as to see a preview or be redirected straight to the drawing model. In the properties pane, we can edit the title, choose whether we prefer automatic update mode or leave it in manual mode. Other options disable line thicknesses, view or hide the view plane, or modify the drawing scale. We can also export the drawing model to DXF or DWG format or print it.